Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Angela City. I'm over at the construction site on a Wednesday. It's just before noon. The workers have stopped for lunch and their afternoon power nap. So I did some video earlier in the week. I'll go through that video first and then we'll do a little walkthrough today and see what's going on. So stay tuned. So Kuya, the bird hunter, he got the little bird out of there, up out of the hole. So they had a freaking bird make a nest in there. They had to bust it out a little bit. They have to put some concrete on that hole up in there now. Hello. That's an eagle right there. Philippine eagle. What kind of bird is it? Okay. Well, we don't think there's anything else in there. If they are, you're getting buried. But I'm pretty sure he got them out of there. And I hear Mama Bird over here. Oh. Still working on the walls in here. My daughter's room. Hello, Kuya. They painted this wall, but the other ones just have primer. The problem we're facing now is just the weather. Because it is so humid, it's difficult for the paint to dry. And of course, it'd probably be helpful if they had some fans over here, but that makes too much sense. Yeah, now I'm being told later this week they'll be done. And then they continue to finish up the steps with the concrete to get them somewhat squared off. And again, they'll be putting a piece of hardwood across there. It's hanging over about 2 inches. And then the riser will just be painted. So the electrician continued to pull some wires here. We got some more wiring that he's running right now up through the ceiling here for the lights in the kitchen. So it looked like he's just about done with that. And then they're almost done squaring these steps off here. Here. We're doing the ceiling in here, my daughter's room. So you have primer or paint?
Primer.
This is all primer?
Yeah.
How many coats? 2 coats?
2 coats.
Oh, so you're getting ready to paint. You gonna paint it today?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Coating.
First coat. And then you gotta prime this here then.
Yeah.
Sandy sand. Out here working on the wall again. I'm gonna have to tear part of that off down on the end there because I think I covered that in one of the previous vlogs, that they moved the wall out too much. because the requirement in the subdivision is not to go past the edge of the house here. So the wall should line up with this here. So this, I think we can only have 2 feet high from the sidewalk. So it's probably going to be 1 or 2, probably 1.5 up high, and then it'll come up, and then it goes to the 2.6 meters or whatever the height of it's supposed to be. The wall is coming along. How high you going, Kuya? This is as high? So the top of the wall is going to be up here?
Yes.
Okay. That's 2.6 meters? And then they'll take it all the way down. And again, they'll have to remove some of the concrete hollow blocks down on the end. And then in the kitchen, the electrician is continuing to wire. And then these guys are working on the ceiling, putting this PVC ceiling in. And they have a little bracket for the fan. And then this is the PVC we're going to use to make an accent wall here where we hang the TV. So this is the stuff for the ceiling, this stuff. And then this is the stuff for the wall. In my daughter's room, and they are putting the first coat of paint on here. So once that's dry, then they'll put the second coat and then clean this all up, clean the baseboards all up, and then this room will be done. And then they'll have to work on the ceiling in here. So they're working on the ceiling in the master bath. They're countersinking the rivets in there and putting a few more screws in. This looks like it's just primer. This is just primer in here, right?
Yes, sir.
Got the sinks. We got the toilets. We got some movement here, I guess. Finally. All right. I think that is all of the toilets and all of the sinks. The bathroom sinks. I think that's all he got. I don't know what else he got in there. Maybe some fans. So there's the toilets, or as they call them here, water closets. They already took one upstairs, I believe. So there's 6 of them all together. We got 6 comfort rooms. Look like they're all made in China. And they all look a little small there. I don't know, they're not American-sized toilets, but I guess it does the trick. So it looks like they're all done with the PVC here in the kitchen. And now they are doing the drywall in there. And I think the electrician is all done with the wiring in the kitchen. And he is now in the laundry room running wires for the lights. And he is with the master worker, Steven. He's also the picture drawing penises on the wall and everything. He does it all. And then, like they are fabricating the manhole up into the attic. Finally. In the master bath, and they have started to do the what we call this? Skim coat. So they recessed all of the rivets, or they pulled them out, put new ones in, and screws. And yeah, they're moving along here. So they're going to be done with this by the end of today, right? Or not. Tomorrow. Dax, the main man, said tomorrow. Okay, thank you, Kuya. And then we got our special delivery from yesterday on a bathtub. Well, they're moving along up here. So they're telling me that they're gonna be done with all the rooms by Saturday. Dax, the main man here, saying Saturday, topless, nah. They gotta do this one yet, and I think this is the last coat of paint in here? So there's the last coat of paint.
Another one.
Oh, one more. Oh, one more. We're all done, and Kuya here's cleaning up the baseboards.
Sir, I have to go out. It's an emergency.
Okay, all right, thank you,
See
Dex.
you tomorrow, sir.
Okay, see ya, thanks again. And they still have to paint, still gotta paint that.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow I'll work for that here, sir.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna paint that in there. I think they're done painting in here. And they gotta do this one yet. So my architect did a site visit the other day, and we walking through addressing some things. And one of the things that he noticed was this column that extends out, and we don't have one on this side. So in order to make it even, he was supposed to get up with the builder and talk about the possibility of bumping this out, either by framing it out with heavy duty framing material to hold the weight of the tile, or to extend it, the column out on this side with concrete, to put the cladding on that as well. So it's the same on both sides. So we'll see. And then the other thing that we talked about was how we were going to address this. So one of the options was to have like a type of molding that fits over here. But my architect, the way he designed it, was there was no molding on here. So he is suggesting using the tile and putting it, cutting the tile at a 45-degree angle, and putting 2 small pieces in here all the way up to cover that. But yet to talk to the builder about that. But I'm hoping to speak with him soon about that and some other things. So we will see. Yeah, a lot going on this week. Hopefully the pace continues. So we're at a pretty high pace right now. The painters are now telling me that they should be done with the upstairs by Saturday. But again, every time I'm asking those questions about when specific things are going to be done, I don't know that there was ever a time when things were done when I was told they were going to be done. But I think Saturday is probably realistic for them to be done to the point where the cabinet guys can come in and install all of the cabinets upstairs, to include the countertops for the sinks. And then that'll be one less thing to do. And then downstairs, so when the painters are done upstairs, they're going to move downstairs, and they will start on the downstairs. Another shipment of furniture tomorrow. So my furniture lady's coming today to do a little bit reconnaissance to see the best place to put the remainder of the furniture. Not sure there is a best place. We've had to move it around already. We'll probably have to move it again. But my goal is to put it in a place where we can limit the amount of times we have to move it. So move-in date, I still don't know. The builder was shooting for the end of June to be done with the inside. But I don't think that's going to happen, because we are literally about a week away from the end of June. And unless he brings in another 50 people or so, that's probably not going to happen, which is very frustrating to me. So we'll see. But again, if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments section. If you are not yet subscribed and you like this type of material, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down there, and you'll be notified the next time that I post a vlog. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And again, thanks for joining. I hope to see you next time. Take care.